Hey guys, this is Don Cotta. I'm with 323 Link and CloudRoom AV. Today I'm going to talk about our new clicker presentation, wireless presentation system, and the couple ways that you can present in our classrooms. As you can see here, I've got my laptop. Here is our computer or our keyboard that runs and can input data into our one-touch, which is AV systems built on Windows computers. And in this scenario, we're going to go through how we can launch our presentations. So first things first, what I would want to do is I can hit the HDMI button here, and I don't see my presentation. I see one of my cameras. So how do I get to my presentation slides? You're going to hit this little thing that looks like a camera rotate, like on your cell phone. And now we have our presentation, and it tells you a couple other ways you can connect. In many rooms, we could have a firewall situation where this may not be working. In all of our new rooms, we include a full ubiquity network with our system, so this would be working immediately out of the box. But we're going to go through this method on the bottom where we're going to use these physical clickers to do this. Now, our system also, real quickly, does have Air Server built in, which is down here at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and launch that. And this is another way, again, if you're on the network, where this can be shared. And right now I've got this being shared on every other monitor, and then we can use the second monitor for our video conference, or we could even duplicate that. So if, let's say you want to get that duplicated on all your monitors, well, guess what? You go up here to the displays button, then we decide to go ahead and hit duplicate, and now all of our monitors are duplicating that same thing on every screen. And so now we can go hit that HDMI button again, and guess what? We're ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and take one of these clickers. Now you have to let these set up all the way. So you plug it in, you'll hear it kind of snap with that USB-C port. This is going to flash. It could flash for a little while, and you'll see my screen just kind of fluttered in and went out, just like when you're plugging in an HDMI cable. It sees this as an HDMI or a video connection. So now that we've gone green and we stopped, this has some haptic feedback. So when you touch it, you're going to feel it kick back and vibrate, and look at that. There's our presentation on all screens. So you have Air Server, you have these clicker devices, up to 4 people can share on screen at once. And it's really good on these 100-inch up at the front. When you're ready to stop, don't just pull this out. You can hit the button. And this way you can have this sitting in your computer if you're somewhere in the room or you've got it up front. Now, you also can pull, there's an HDMI cable on the back of this that you could take out and directly plug into your laptop as well. But we also now have what's called Matrix X built into our system. And that means you can hit the button for clickers right here, and that will go directly to that same presentation screen. So you can go directly to it there as well. All right, so this is how you present in a one-touch room. And so just let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for checking out CloudRoom AV and One Touch.